Hi, my name is Eliza Marie, and in this presentation, I'm going to be talking about how to identify different geometric shapes in different works of art. Our first work of art here that we have is this diverse blue and black painting by this French artist named Fernand Léger. It dates back to 1942 to 1943, and it was used to paint with oil paint. This painting was created with oil paint on canvas. This painting has a pool theme to it, and it's basically just a bunch of figures jumbled together with swatches of color in the background. And it's really a bunch of people in a crowded pool together, swimming together. As you can see, there are a lot of rectangles and circles over here, and you can tell these are rectangles because of, you see the perpendicular lines, when they intersect, they create 4 right-degree angles, 4 90-degree angles over here. There's one here, so you can see. There's even some like in the noses of the little individuals. If you put like an imaginary line there, you'll create a rectangle. And yeah, there's some here. He really has a good combination of geometric shapes. Like even the shape of the whole canvas is geometric. Again, creating these 90-degree angles when the perpendicular lines intersect. And I think the combination of organic and geometric shapes really help the geometric shapes to stand out from the organic shapes. And we also have some circles here, like right here, over here, even in the eyes here. And you can tell because circles from a fixed point, and you put a point right in the center here, right, all the points around it here are equidistant from the center. So that's how you know when you have a circle. See, even here, put a point in the center, it's all the points on the outside are equal distance from the center. Work of art, which is this sculpture. It's a form of pottery, which is called a terracotta barrel-shaped oichi. I don't know the artist because the website did not give me the name, but many scientists believe that this connects back to wine rituals. So the painted ornaments on this sculpture were influenced by Greek geometric pottery that was produced at Volsi. Then the 2 goats right here, these goats here, like leaning on this tree, which is called the Tree of Life. This occurred on Celebrate European geometric crater found at Cyprus. Now, when it comes to the geometric aspect of this work of art, there are many cylinders. You see one here, you see one here, and this is more of like a triangle shape, like if you just cut off that part. But this is another cylinder here, and then we have a circle at the bottom. So the main part of this sculpture, which I showed you earlier, is these 4 shapes here, the 3 cylinders, and then the circle at the bottom. We could cut it into 4 separate shapes. And so when a cylinder, which is different than a circle because a circle is flat, it's a 2-dimensional shape, and a cylinder is a three-dimensional shape, which you can tell these are cylinders because they have two parallel circular bases, which are these. This is one, and then the other one, we can't really see it from this picture, but there's another circular shape at the end, which is parallel to this circle. And then through this way, we have a curved surface. These two circles, parallel circles, are joined by this curved surface here. This curved surface here. You can see the curve, which makes it three-dimensional because it's not just a flat shape. We can also see this here. This is that curved surface. And then if you were to cut this here, you would have a circle at the bottom. If you were to cut this up here, you would have a circle at the top, which are both parallel. And this separates, this shape here separates the two circles. And again, over here at the bottom, we have, if we were to separate this from the rest of the pottery and this, we would end up with two parallel circles and a curved surface between the middle of both of them. Then at the bottom, if we were to separate this, it would just be a circle. And like I talked about in our other piece of art, you can recognize a circle when a set of points are equidistant from a specific point. So if we put a point in the center, all the points on this border, on this line here that goes around, all the points are equal distance from the center. And that's how you can tell. Another way to tell is if you were to put a straight line across on all aspects of this circle, they will all be the same length.